to the Sisters of BPMI, to the school administrators and staff of Mater Dei, which was Paulo's second home for the past 10 years. I can never thank you enough for helping us mold him into the responsible, God-fearing, and intelligent person he is right now. To all of his teachers, and who served as his second parents, thank you for being his guide and mentors, and for helping him discover his talents and skills, for helping him maximize his full potential. So thank you so much, teachers. To my fellow parents who, like me, are celebrating this very important event, I share in your happiness as we look at our children and realize that our sacrifices are paying off. Good job to all of us. Greetings to all of Paulo's batchmates. This is the beginning of another journey, an exciting but a more complicated one, I should say. Congratulations to all of you. To all the guests, relatives, and friends who came here to witness this milestone, good morning. To those who knew Paulo from when he started here in Mater Dei, you are aware that he did not start out as an achiever. At age 2 or 3, I let him watch educational programs and cartoons that I know will stimulate his young mind. My husband and I even enrolled him to Kumon at age 5 because he was having difficulty learning how to read. So when he finally started reading, I bought him books that I thought would interest him. At the age of 9, I was surprised because he was already reading books on Greek mythology and literary classics such as A Tale of Two Cities and all those classics. So it was actually only in grade 6 when he started showing remarkable improvements in his academics. The first time we actually went up this stage was because he was top 9 of his class when it was during his elementary graduation. I think Paulo felt our happiness that time. So that's why he continued on and worked harder to get the highest academic recognition. Thank you, Paulo, for showing us your love by giving us something we did not ask for. You certainly exceeded our expectations. You know we never pressured you. We just wanted you to have fun and enjoy your studies. You made us feel that our sacrifices are all worth it. So thank you. I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish my speech because I'm getting emotional. But, well, there were a lot of people who were asking me, like, what's the secret for raising a child achiever? And I guess what I can say is that there's no big secret. Because, for me, the bottom line is just encourage excellence, but we do not expect them to be perfect. We show them our love by accepting them for their strengths and weaknesses. That was all we did. And here we are. We got the Ecclesian Gold Merit Award. For Paulo's batchmates, I have a simple message for you. This is the time when you're choosing your career. And like when I guided Paulo when he was choosing his, what I asked him was that if those career, or if the career that he is to choose is something that he's passionate about, then go for it. If it's also a career that you're naturally good at, then I said, go for it. And definitely, a career that will make a positive change in the world. Now, if all these are satisfied, what would stop you all from being successful in the future? So, again, I'm closing this speech with a special message for dear Paulo. So as your parents, follow our dream is simple. We will always be proud of your academic achievements and we'll definitely be happy with your successful career in the future. But our greatest joy is to see you mature into a person who cares more for others. A person who finds fulfillment in using his talents, skills, and intelligence to help others in need. A voice of the weak. A person who is not afraid to stand up for what's right. And finally, the person who God intended you to be. So thank you and a pleasant morning to everyone.
Thank you, Mrs. Chavez. Mrs. Chavez. May we call Sister Emma and Sister Renita to give the certificate and token of appreciation. Presents this certificate of appreciation to Mrs. Charmaine Marie L. Chavez in sincere appreciation of her